These are the 3 ways that high ticket affiliate marketing has changed in 2022 and how you can capitalize on these changes and make big money, $500, $1,000, $2,000 every single day. Let's go. Now, one of the big changes in 2022 in the high ticket affiliate marketing world, and I think this isn't going to change now. This is a big shift that we've seen that me and my team have been able to capitalize off, is the fact that overcomplicated funnels are dead. Okay, the big long giant sales funnel where you're dancing around on TikTok and you send someone to a page and then you bombard them with emails and then you blah 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 and they get into a 15-day, 10-day, 7-day thing and then they call an advisor and then they do all these 50 million steps. At every single point in this step, every single point, your leads are going to drop off. If you're not following, if this is sounding really nerdy, all it means is that it's kind of like if you went to Best Buy or Walmart or Target or any store on the planet and you went through the front door and you're looking for, I don't know, you're looking for batteries, right? You're looking for batteries and then you went through the front door and you say to the guy, hey, I'm looking for batteries. And then he makes you walk through another door where you have to talk to somebody else, give them a password, give them your email and do all this stuff. And then you say, okay, can I have batteries now? It's like, well, you have to go to the back, buy the stereo equipment. Okay, great. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to get my batteries. And then they make you walk through another door and they say, can I interest you in such and such? Do you want to have a phone call? Here's a 3-day challenge about the batteries. And it's like so many steps. Every single one of these steps, your leads, the people who were initially interested in the batteries, right? They were initially like, I'm going to go to the store and get some batteries. They wanted the batteries, they wanted to get the help, they wanted a solution to their problem, and then every single funnel step they kept getting more bored, they kept getting more annoyed, they kept getting more everything. And they were like, you know what? This isn't going to solve my problems, or it's not going to solve my problems fast enough, so I'm just going to get out of here. They're going to start ignoring your emails, ignoring your next funnel steps and the next things that you need to do. And it was like, just give me the solution already. People are sick and tired of this long, complicated process. And instead, this is what's happening now. People are foregoing all this. And instead, you're taking the person, right? You're taking the lead. Say they walk into Best Buy, McDonald's, wherever they're walking into, what did I say, Walmart, right? They walk in there and you're going to lead them to the stuff they want. And that's it. Just one step. They say, hey, I want batteries. And you say, okay, let me show you the batteries we have here. That's it. No more long, complicated funnels in order to get the prospect, get the lead, get the contact, the person that you've made a connection with over to the thing that they want. And you might be saying, now, what happened before was because this stuff, right? High ticket affiliate marketing tended to be more on the quote unquote expensive side, although expensive is relative. That's what I think, right? But because of that, people thought they needed long, complicated funnels to build all this trust and value and all this other stuff. But things have severely changed in 2022 because people are so numb to that process. They already know there's going to be a million upsells. You're going to squeeze like $5 out of my pocket every time I hit a new funnel step. Just give me the damn solution already. Whatever it is on the other end of all this mumbo jumbo, just give me that, because that's what I really wanted in the first place. So now they want to just skip to the front of the line and get their problem solved. They just want the high ticket thing. Plain and simple. People are just drawn out and they're just dragged through the mud and tired of this stuff. Okay, now here instead is the process that I highly suggest that you start using in 2022 and beyond. It's going to help you sell only high ticket affiliate products. That means anything from $500 in commissions or more every single day. That's what I recommend. Now, this is all you need to do. We're going to start here and we're going to go on Facebook. Okay, Facebook is where you need to be. Why? Because Facebook is still, even though TikTok is growing and all these other platforms, Facebook is still the world's largest social media site. So almost everybody's on Facebook. Almost everybody's is like everybody and their grandma, right, has a Facebook account. So we're going to go there and we're going to create a profile, right? We're going to create a profile. Almost everyone already has a Facebook profile, but if you don't, or if you'd rather use an alternative profile, make yourself a profile and we'll start there. Okay, so we take people from your profile down to your post. Now, there's very strategic posts that you need to make. Strategic. Don't just post anything. Don't just post, hey everybody, do you want my high ticket affiliate thingy? Right? Nobody's gonna care. Nobody likes you. Nobody's gonna care. Nobody likes me either. All right? It's not anything offensive towards you. They don't care. Everybody thinks, what's in it for me? So when you're marketing, when you're out there, you're doing these posts and everything, and we have an amazing strategy that we use inside of the affiliate franchise that we show you, that we set you up with, that we even do for you. But you're going to make these posts, you're going to get people to raise their hands, and they're going to say, yes, that's me, I want that. Then you're going to take them down to chat, and you're going to close the deal. You get into a personal chat one-on-one with them, and people love that. They're like, oh my God, no more of these complicated funnels, and no more trying to upsell me and doing all this other stupid stuff and $30 here, $40 there. You're just legitimately going to solve my problem. Ladies and gentlemen, listen, people, and this is another thing, people get scared of price, because I know inevitably somebody's watching this and saying like, oh no, I'd rather sell the little teeny tiny $7 thing that's going to get me $1 commission. It's much easier for me. People don't care about money, okay? You might think they do, and people say they do. They don't care about money in so much as, let me put a caveat on that, is that the thing that they're trading money for solves their problem, and that the problem is a big problem. That's it. But the only way you're ever going to know that is if you get in chat with them and talk to them. Figure it out, right? What is their problem? How big is this problem? Is this solution, this high ticket solution, the best solution for them, right? Because it might not be. Maybe you have a lower ticket thing, right? A $100 thing that you sell as an affiliate that's a much better fit for them. We'll send them there, right? But if you have the $1,000 thing that's like premium, that's like an amazing solution, tell them about it, okay? And we have a process for all of this. If any of this confuses you still, it's very, very, very simple. We at the affiliate franchise, we call this the 1 hour commissions system. Now, why do we call it that? Because this process should take no more than an hour per day. Our system at the affiliatefranchise.com, down below in the description, is so simple that busy professionals, people like you who are watching this, you have a 12-hour shifts and 16-hour shifts, or you work 40 hours a week or more than 40 hours a week. You have this job, right? And you have kids, and you have all this stuff going on. That complicated funnels, a million email sequences, and all this super nerdy stuff and technical blah, blah, blah. That stuff is so complicated. It takes forever to get started, and that's probably why you bought a course before or something and you couldn't really figure it out or get going. But this process, the 1 hour commissions process, anybody can do it. It's simple, just like back to basics, reach out, direct marketing to people. Just talk to people, right? And we show you where to find those people. We show you exactly how to identify them. We show you exactly how to attract them over to your post, over to your profile, exactly how to get them to raise their hands and say, I'm interested in talking more about that. Exactly what to say in chat to them. We give you scripts. We give you high-level training, what to say to them to uncover that pain, uncover that, hey, I'm willing to trade over money for this problem, and that's it. And you can do this every single day. It's super simple. We're seeing an enormous enormous return off this process. If you look at some of the testimonials on this channel, I have a whole playlist. I'll probably put a card or something around here that you can watch the entire playlist of all the testimonials we have. You can sign up to book a call with me or somebody on my team, and we can talk more about this process, see if it's the right fit for you, right? But that's down in the description below. But I digress. Let me go into something else here real quick. What I wanted to go into right now is the reason that this process works so well. How does it work so well, and it's so much more simple than the old way of doing these complicated funnels and whatnot? We call that affiliate marketing 2.0. Right now we're in affiliate marketing 3.0. The industries, all industries, right? They all evolve and change and shift over time. People are just tired of being bombarded by new funnels and upsells and emails and all that. That's why, if you're already in affiliate marketing, you've been doing it, that's why you've seen some of your numbers drop and decrease, okay? It's because that's affiliate marketing 2.0. Everybody's hip to it. You know, even grandma knows what affiliate marketing is. She knows when she signed up and gave her email for this fitness thing or whatever, she knows how it works, where she's going to get all these contacts, right? And she knows if she buys the $7 thing, she knows that's not the real solution. She's just going to get some other thing that's going to ask her for $30 and another thing that's going to ask her for $100. Everyone knows this process already. So it's important to know that the industry has shifted from this complicated funnels process that did work really well. We went from blogging in the affiliate marketing 1.0 that really takes forever now to complicated funnels in affiliate marketing 2.0, which was working really well for a while, but now you see it starting to die down. That's affiliate 2.0 to now we're going to call this new affiliate 3.0 trust-based affiliate marketing. What people want now, and I know you can agree because you're probably this kind of person too, is they want trust. They want a relationship. They want to know somebody and like them and get to know them, and also vice versa for that person to get to know them as well. Because how can you really sell me something? How can you really figure out what's the best option or what's the best choice for me to solve my problems if you don't really even know me, right? All of these funnels and everything, it's all automated and it's all robot stuff, and it's like, the person doesn't even know me. This is all just everybody's going through the same funnels and all the same robotic, like, automated stuff. It's like, I feel like a number, and you are, right? All of your leads feel like a number, and they know it, right? But instead, if you switch to the 1-hour commissions process that we show you inside of the affiliate franchise, if you switch to that, everything is a lot more trust-based. It's all about human to human connection. You can do it in an hour or less per day. It's good old-fashioned direct response marketing. It's stuff that's worked for hundreds of years, and it's finally come back. Now that we're out of this crazy, like, robot automated phase that takes 1,000 years to set up and nobody ever buys your stuff anyway, now we're back to good old-fashioned, just be a good person of value that delivers value, and everybody will flock to you and buy no matter what you are selling. Okay, we've had people inside the program sell $2,000 commission products almost every day, okay, like easy peasy, because they are able to build trust with their audience, and that's all that matters. Now, with that being said, click the link on the description below and sign up if you want to get on a call with me or my team and talk about if this might be a right fit for you, or click on this video right here so that you can get more on the affiliate world today. And I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.